Budget. And Siddharth, we did see a rapid climb during the budget speech. In fact, just before it began as well, as markets were so confident that this budget would be oriented towards growth. And during the speech, we continue to see markets hit the day's high before actually starting to cool off mid-afternoon and then bouncing back again. You can see that on your chart. So that cool off coming in, at one point they were at the day's low, almost flat, before once again gradually climbing back up. Currently trading at about 1.3% there. And top Nifty gainers for you, Tata Steel, clear allocations there that will help to boost things when it comes to the steel sector. Sun Pharma, IndusInd Bank, Shree Cements, couple of the other names there that are buzzing at this hour. We'll continue to bring you a look at some of those gainers on your screen. But, at one point we thought perhaps there'd be some profit booking coming in. Markets had anticipated this. There was a run-up pre-budget as well. So just when markets were cooling off, everyone thought that, okay, that's it. It was just a bit of buying on the back of a good budget. But this now shows you that there's sustained buying. Whatever covering had to happen has happened. There's sustained buying and the market's clearly rewarding the budget. Infrastructure has been a really, really strong theme, as you can see on your screen as well. Some of the top gainers, L&T, NCC, Adani, IRB, couple of the movers there. But infra as a theme, and of course ancillary pockets. So from infra, we've got cement, metals, capital goods. That entire basket is set to move because of the kind of announcement we've seen, and it's been a capex heavy budget. They've clearly outlined plans for a boost on infra, a boost of capital expenditure on infrastructure and capital goods to drive growth, and that's really where they feel the growth will come from, jobs will come from, and even private sector will also start to participate.
I think for the market reaction, it's very clear that the markets, even before the budget, seem to have sensed that things would not be negative, the boat won't be rocked, and that's what has largely happened. But if we could pull up, not now, but how the world of cryptocurrencies is perhaps going to react, that would tell you a different story. But from a market point of view, I think the biggest message is this government is continuing with what it believes in, which is infrastructure, long-term, medium-term plans. And in fact, the budget had a 25-year vision statement that was attached to it. So it's trying to be presented in a different manner. And I would say that the biggest takeaway would be the fact that from next year onwards, the government of India believes that it may not need to spend as much as it did in the 2 years of the pandemic on various kinds of relief measures. And even as I tell you this, we are standing by for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first comment after the budget was presented in the Lok Sabha and tabled in the Rajya Sabha. We are standing by for that reaction by the